Testing, take one. I'm using this app. This app is called MegaPhone, and I'm installing this for my iPhone, and I'm plugging my iPhone to my PC through a 3.5mm jack, and this is the raw sound that you hear, and you can hear the background noise. Let me check the setting from my PC. This is the setting from my PC. I can stay silent for a few seconds and I'll let you hear the background noise. Okay, this is my setup, and right now I'm going to use paddleboard to try to cut down the noise. Okay, paddleboard 2, and I'm using the 64-bit. Okay, so right now I'm speaking with the I'm speaking to my iPhone through the app MegaPhone, and I'm using the paddleboard 2 with a set of chain to remove my noise. You can always adjust this by yourself, and you can have your own plugin. You don't necessarily use my plugin. And this is the sound test on the MegaPhone app. This is the sound test on the MegaPhone app to turn my iPhone into a PC mic. So I'm testing with my iPhone SE. Okay, and trying to change my voice with voice meter. Change my voice with voice meter. Okay, change my voice with voice meter. Testing 1, 2, 3. And let me change my... Okay, this is testing 1, 2, 3. Oops. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let me turn on the volume. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And I'm recording with my OBS 0.15.4 64-bit. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Bye bye.